Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800, comes with only 97,000 original miles and is powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a clean beige exterior with a matching beige interior, the truck still runs and drives like a champion, with the engine and transmission performing perfectly, no oil leaks, and no known mechanical issues. For its age, the truck has exceptionally low mileage and remains in very solid condition. A VIN number and Carfax report are available upon request. The paint remains in very good shape with no reported accidents, and the truck is completely rust-free. It also features brand new tires, aftermarket headlights, and a new bedliner. The smoke-free and pet-free interior is nearly flawless, while both the air conditioning and heater work exactly as they should. The truck comes with a clean Texas title in hand, and it is already tagged and inspected. Number 2. 1990 Ford F-150, price $8,500, powered by a strong 302 cu and V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 150,000 miles and comes finished in red with a matching red interior. This gasoline-powered, two-wheel drive truck has been well maintained and retains its original paint, giving it a classic vintage appearance. The truck is equipped with dual fuel tanks, power windows, cruise control, factory stereo, and a comfortable bench seat with a fold-down center armrest. It also features custom dual exhaust for a deeper sound and improved style. The air conditioning system is installed but currently needs to be recharged. Several important components have been replaced during ownership, including the battery, aluminum radiator, alternator, water pump, serpentine belt, plugs and wires, ignition coil, rear wheel cylinders, front brakes, and tires. Number 3. 1988 Toyota pickup, price $7,500. It has 190,200 miles and comes with a manual transmission, blue exterior, gray interior, and a reliable gasoline-powered 22RE engine. This truck runs great, is mechanically sound, and has been driven daily with regular tune-ups and oil changes. It idles a little high when cold, which is common for these trucks. The AC blows cold, the heater works properly, and it retains its factory manual steering setup while still having power brakes. The rear brakes have a light squeak, and the parking brake may need a simple adjustment. The body shows some surface rust on the frame, along with a few rust spots in the bed and other areas. It was repainted 2 years ago and sits on newer wheels and tires that are also about 2 years old with low miles. Inside, the truck features new flooring, a new ignition starter switch, a newly reupholstered seat, and a headliner in great shape. Number 4. 1998 Dodge Dakota, price $5,495, powered by a strong-running 5.2-liter V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission with overdrive. It features cold air conditioning, a strong heater, power steering, and power ABS brakes for added comfort and control. This Dakota is equipped with a matching insulated aluminum canopy complete with a roof rack and bed mat, making it ideal for work or outdoor use. Alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires give it a rugged appearance, while the tow package includes a receiver hitch, 6-pin connector, and trailer brake setup for hauling capability. Inside, the truck offers spacious seating for up to 6 passengers with a roomy 40/20/40 front bench seat featuring a center console, along with rear 60/40 bench seating. Additional features include rear flip-out windows, dual front airbags, wheel ABS brakes, and an AM/FM/CD stereo system with satellite radio, auxiliary input, and Bluetooth-ready capability. Number 5. 1984 Toyota pickup, price $5,000, powered by a gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission and has 235,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this classic pickup runs and drives good and has received several performance and maintenance upgrades over time. The truck is equipped with LCE headers, a 3838 Weber carburetor, an EGR delete, and a new exhaust system, giving it a stronger overall setup. A brand new catalytic converter was also recently installed. Inside, it features bucket seats, and the carpet was removed for a deep cleaning and has not yet been reinstalled, but it will be included with the sale. The original stock steering wheel will also come with the truck. Overall, it's a solid older Toyota pickup with a clean classic look and a good running setup. Number 6. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,800, solid and dependable pickup with 204,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a clean blue exterior that still looks great for its age. Powered by a strong 5.0L V8 engine paired with a 5-speed setup, the truck runs like a champ and delivers the classic driving feel these older GMC trucks are known for. It has recently been serviced and is ready for the road. with brand new tires already installed for a smooth and reliable ride. The truck has no check engine light on, showing that it has been well maintained and cared for. It also comes with a clean title in hand, making the sale simple and hassle-free. Overall, this Sierra is a great example of a classic GMC pickup that is ready to be driven, enjoyed, or added to any classic truck collection. Number 7. 1993 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,500. This truck is powered by a strong 454 big block Chevy paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission. The truck has 200,000 miles, a black exterior with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. It runs great and recently received a brand new rebuilt transmission. However, the transmission is currently going into limp mode. The paint presents well from a distance and is best described as a 10-footer. The steering column could use tightening, which is common on older OBS trucks. It features 15% window tint all the way around, a sliding rear glass window, and a 2-inch steel cowl induction hood that adds to its aggressive look. The Firestone tires still have about 75% tread remaining. All power windows are functioning properly, and the heat works as it should. The air conditioning system is operational but needs to be recharged. Number 8. 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,500. This truck is powered by a strong 5.9L Magnum V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 145,000 miles and runs and drives very well. Finished in gold with a silver lower accent and a clean gray interior, the truck presents nicely inside and out. The interior has been kept in very clean condition with no rips or tears in the seats, and everything appears to function properly, including the cold AC. The exterior paint still looks good overall, although there is some clear coat fading on the hood and roof consistent with age. This gasoline-powered Ram offers a solid combination of reliability, comfort, and classic Dodge styling, making it a great-looking and dependable full-size pickup. Number 9. 1996 Mazda B2300, price $4,000, comes with 107,000 miles, a 5-speed manual transmission, a red exterior, gray interior, and a fuel-efficient gasoline 4-cylinder engine. It has been well maintained and remains very clean for its age, making it a great-looking compact pickup with solid reliability and excellent fuel economy. The truck has a clean title, no accident history, and a straight frame and body aside from a few small dents. The manual transmission shifts smoothly with no clutch slip, and it recently received a brand new battery along with a new intake air filter. The tires still have plenty of tread remaining, and the aluminum rims give it a sharp appearance. It also features classic manual crank windows. The only known issues are intermittent windshield wiper operation, possibly caused by a relay, and a cracked taillight lens. Number 10. 1998 Dodge Ram 2500, price $5,500. The truck is powered by the legendary 5.9L 12-valve Cummins turbo diesel, marking the final production year for this highly sought-after engine. Equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain and automatic transmission, the truck runs and drives well and has approximately 150,000 miles on it. It features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, both of which remain in very respectable condition for its age. The interior has been well kept, the body is rust-free, and the truck comes with a clean title. Overall, it is a solid and increasingly collectible diesel pickup with strong mechanical reliability and classic Cummins appeal.